Hello everyone, it's Group 17 here and we will be presenting to you about World Veterinary Poultry Association aka WVPA. In this presentation, we will be covering history, members, role and function, and also contribution of this organization.
World Veterinary Poultry Association was formed in 1959, led by Professor Dibliak and Dr. Gordon. The first, second, and third conference were held to discuss the WVPA journal. The fourth congress was led by Dr. Levine for the proposal of the WVPA journal, later called Avian Pathology. In 1970, the avian pathology papers were created and Professor Klein and Kozik were chosen as the first editor and production editor respectively. During the 5th Congress, Dr. Beeks was elected as the editor due to the poor health of Professor Klein, while Professor Glistroff was the president. The 6th Conference was guided by Dr. Barmeister, where the official language of the journal was discussed, and avian pathology was published in 1980 in English. Dr. Beeks was elected as the president in 1981 during the 7th Conference, where the earlier proposed logo was refined. In 1985, Dr. Sandberg led the 8th Conference in Jerusalem, and now the current president is Dr. Nicholas, and our team in Malaysia is led by Professor Dr. Abdul Rahman Omar.
I will explain a little about WVPA members of organization. Let's start with our Mr. President, Dr. Nicholas Ataradosi, followed by Senior Vice President, Mr. Nigel Horrocks, and Junior Vice President, Prof. Sejat David, and our Secretary of Treasurer, Dr. Francois Xavier Legros.
WVPA's role can be seen in its mission, which is linking poultry veterinary scientists worldwide.
WVPA has 4 objectives, which are also its functions. It organizes meetings, encourages research, and promotes exchange of information and material regarding to avian and poultry, and it also establishes and maintains liaison with other bodies of the similar interests.
WVPA is currently contributing 7 awards for poultry industry, poultry veterinarians, and other avian health professions. Out of 7 awards, 4 awards have been achieved by Malaysian students, lecturers, and doctors.
You thought we were ended here, but not so far. There are some other interesting facts to know. The online learning platform. The WVPA itself has an online learning system called Avian Health Online, which is designed for veterinarians worldwide. The next fact is WVPA Hall of Honor. And the next amazing thing is the digital library. WVPA has a digital library which contains plenty of technical articles in the field of poultry health. So on, those are the interesting facts about World Veterinary Poultry Association.